Hello guys, we will see together how to install Ubuntu 20.04 server. So the first thing we will first download the Ubuntu server. So go to release.ubuntu.com/20.04 and then go here to server install image and just click and the download for ISO image will start. I will cancel because I had already download. So after download the ISO image, I am gonna to install Ubuntu now. So I will use virtual box, but it is the same thing if you will install it on your PC. So this is Oracle. Let's create a new machine and call it, for example, Ubuntu server 20.04 and next. And for the RAM, I am gonna to give 4 gigabyte or 5 and next create and for the disk I will give 40 gigabyte and create. After that let's open the machine and then give the ISO image for the boot and waiting for open. And here it asks for the ISO image. So let's choose the image which we had download. So I have here Ubuntu 20.04 server and OK and launch. And now it will boot for Ubuntu server. So just wait. So do not worry, you will just follow the same step. So Oracle Virtual Machine or in your PC it is the same. So waiting. So for the language, choose any language you want. You can use up or down for your keyboard. I will choose English and enter. So continue without updating or update the new installer. We can continue without updating. And this is for keyboard. You can change it or just keep it. So done. And done. Proxy address. I don't have a proxy address, so I will skip. Mirror address. I will choose the first one. And use enter disk. I will choose this disk and enter and done and also done, and yes, I want to continue. So your name, empty software, your server name, password, sorry, this is for username and password, and confirm your password, and for your server name, Turkey, and done. And yes, install open SSH server and done. Future server snap. You can choose anything we want, like install Docker or Nextcloud, or we can just skip. And the installation begin. So just wait. So installation is complete. Let's reboot. Enter. So press enter. And this is welcome to Ubuntu 20.04 and waiting for boot. And the installation is finished, and welcome to Ubuntu 20.04. So this was how to install Ubuntu server. Thank you for watching and see you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.